Sales in Business Part 2. Yes, today we'll be covering Sales in Business Part 2 that I believe can benefit you. So, let's get started. I'm Simon the Counselor, and these are the topics that I'll be going through with you today. What are selling skills? How become a better salesperson? Skills of a sales executive? What makes a good sales manager? Managing a successful sales team? And what every salesperson should master. Your sales resume and how to win a sales interview. What are selling skills? Selling skills are the muscles that give strength and flexibility. They are developed through experience, sales coaching, and training. They must be refined throughout a sales career. How to help you become a better salesperson? Understand your market. Focus on the right leads. Build trust and focus on helping. Skills of a sales executive. Skills of a sales executive should be in confidence, perseverance, patience, and commercial awareness. What makes a good sales manager? The successful sales manager must be able to involve the team in both sales philosophy and sales process. The sales manager must be open to new ideas and to make each salesperson feel if they are a key part of the team and the solutions they provide to customers. Tips: managing a successful sales team. Be results oriented. Identify where you are versus what you need. Manage expectations. Hire coachable people. Set high but realistic goals. Make learning a priority. Tips every salesperson should master. Understand what the buyers want. Sell in a buyer responsive manner. Use psychology to engage with the buyer. Establish trust with the buyer and act on what the customer is saying. Your sales resume must have product knowledge, client acquisition and retention, goal setting and forecasting, closing sales, written and verbal communication, self-motivation, organizing, and time management. How to win a sales interview. Approach it like a sales meeting. Do your research. Have a list of questions ready and close the deal. The golden rule of selling. Practicing the golden rule in selling simply means that you sell to other people the way you would like to be sold to. The successful sales professional uses the golden rule to sell with the same honesty, integrity, understanding, empathy, and thoughtfulness that they would like someone else to use in selling to them. Remember that. I've got a great package in Sales and Business Part 2 that I think can benefit you. Just look up www.trainingschool.online, where they have a great Sales and Business Part 2 package that I believe you can benefit from. When you're on the website from Training School Online, you will see the time is on your side with TSO, that's Training School Online, quick and fast trainings. That's what we're all looking for today, something that's quick and fast where you can benefit from right away. Not next week, not next month, not next year, but right away. Very important. It's a certified training with personal success, making the training your own, and personal development. Great. The package Sales and Business Part 2 is only $15, very cheap, low in the market today. So get it right away now that it's low in the price as well. The benefits for you is that there's a lot of opportunity in it today. How to sell, even so from home, online. You can, if you got a phone, laptop, or computer, you can have access to the training right away. It's a great platform with career and income in mind. Real motivated, and again, price is great. The price is one of the lowest now in the market. It's fast and quick, and really thinking about your precious time where you can benefit from. So again, look up TSO, that's www.trainingschool.online. I'll be putting the link below where you can access the information that is needed. I've given you tips and tips with benefits, what are selling skills, how to help you become a better salesperson, skills of sales executive, what makes a good sales manager, managing a successful sales team, tips that every salesperson should master, and your sales resume, and how to win a sales interview, and very important, the golden rule of selling, with a beautiful package from Training School Online, where you'll be getting a great video with 2 ebooks where you can see right away how you can implement the sales techniques and benefit from it in selling your products, your service. Yes, so again, that was it from me. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video and TV channel. Look out for more informational videos, and below you can find further information, links. My quote, as I always say, is I see the best in you, and bye for now.